I'm sure you already know we made several videos comparing wagyu beef from Walmart with different other meats, but today we're getting even deeper into the rabbit hole and comparing this good wagyu meat with the newly imported beef I just got.
As we all know, Walmart has a pretty good wagyu that we reviewed on this channel before, and that's why I choose that steak to go against this new meat here today. This is a certified Black Angus meat from Argentina, a unique breed created only for the US market, and today I'm gonna tell you how good it is.
This meat is, as you can see, of a superior quality when compared to a regular Argentinian beef, and it was created using a selected breed in order to accomplish a superior marbling without losing the typical Argentinian beef flavor.
As many of you already know, Black Angus is not only a breed of cattle, it's also a certification for beef.
Since the 1970s, the Certified Angus Beef brand has been working in collaboration with the USDA in order to catalog and certify beef in the US and many other countries around the world. But not just because you are growing Angus beef, it means the certification will automatically apply to your product.
For that to happen, an independent USDA inspector inspects the meat and labels them according to the grading.
Of course, the cattle itself should be from the Black Angus breed, but beyond that, it has to be graded and considered truly the top of the scale. Then this top quality Angus beef is graded again, using the brand's set of 10 science-based specifications for marbling size and uniformity. And only then, if it's good enough, it will earn the Certified Angus Beef label.
And you might be asking now, what will make a certified Black Angus Prime the ultimate steak?
And that is quality, plain and simple. Only truly amazing beef surpasses the USDA Prime standards and meets all 10 of the brand's quality specifications. Only 3% of beef achieves the high standards for Certified Angus Beef Prime, and marbling is key to its incredible flavor and tenderness.
And that is a big deal for us meat lovers, as we are able to enjoy this superior meat by paying the regular prices we are all used to here in the US.
Yes, believe it or not, this beautiful ribeye is priced at $15.99 a pound, and even though Walmart sells the wagyu for $26 a pound, I think it does deserve the comparison.
And now let's see what we have here from Walmart.
As you can see, the wagyu from Walmart is not inferior to no one. Wagyu is sold in selected Walmart supermarkets and is not available everywhere, but if you find it, you should get it with no hesitation. Based on the research and reports from our amazing subscribers, we now know that Walmart is selling different types of wagyu, and if you're lucky enough, as I was once, you can get it online for even cheaper.
Here in my area, all the wagyu that Walmart is selling looks to be a pretty decent American wagyu. But I have some reports from the West Coast. They say that if you go to Walmart there and you pick one of these steaks up, you can read on the label that it's coming from Australia.
As you can see, when compared to the Argentinian Black Angus, this meat looks more marble, and I can feel the buttery fat covering my hands when I handle it. Wagyu is something definitely unique. And with all that information, it is time to get into the cooking. But please, let me know in the comments if you want to get more information about this Black Angus beef, as it is a brand new breed and not a lot of people knows about it. I will try to test this as fair as possible, and even though Miss Ninja already told me that the Black Angus is going to lose this competition, I don't want to give anyone an advantage in any possible way. I will be seasoning them both with salt and pepper as I always do, and trust me, this is the best way for you to learn how your beef tastes. To tell you a bit how I feel, I think the salt and pepper will give an advantage to the Argentinian beef, as the flavors of the meat are amazing, but I'm keeping it fair. This certified Angus beef is only available in the Argentinian cut store. Check the description of the video for links and discount codes.
guys, this is the test we have here. It's been a crazy night, man. It's been raining and stopping and raining and stopping and raining and stopping. And right now it started raining again, so let's do this quick.
Let's
Miss
do it.
Ninja, we have another experiment here. We have number A and we have number B.
Okay.
And I want you to tell me what do you think is best.
Let's do it.
All right, this time let me take the little trees out.
No, those are no trees. No little trees. What is that? Little bushes.
Little bushes. Man, it's so hot. All right, Miss Ninja, where is my knife? All right, we have our steaks here and we have number A. Let's try number A first, Miss
Let's
Ninja.
do it.
All right, let me get this one. I'm gonna give you a little piece.
There we go.
All right.
Ready. I need wipers for my glasses.
Me too, let's go.
Let's do.
My goodness.
Oh, this is so good.
Guys, this
I
is a
love it.
tough one. That thing melts in your mouth. That thing is amazing. Oh my God.
No,
Oh my God.
Hold on.
Wow, it melts in your mouth.
Love it.
It melts in your mouth. Let's get the number B because it's raining. All right, let's
do
go for it.
Damn, this is complicated. This is complicated.
Wow.
Seriously. Wow.
Wow, guys, this one is difficult.
It is. I mean,
Wow. What do you think about number A, Miss Ninja?
what I love about it, it has a bite, but when you bite in it, I mean, it squirts everything out. Love it.
It melts in your mouth.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
And
But number B
number B, what happened with number B?
is right there.
Number B is really tender, but it tastes way better, guys. It's really beefy. This one is really good. This one's amazing, guys.
Okay.
This one is really beefy, and they are a little bit different. It's not as tender. Let me tell you what it is, okay? Number A is wagyu from Walmart.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Number B.
Wally.
Number B is Argentinian meat, but this one is
No
certifies black Angus beef, and it's amazing. The
Wow.
taste is crazy good.
The texture.
I will give it to the wagyu because it's super tender, but I will give it to the Argentinian because it's so full of flavor.
It is.
It's crazy, guys. Both of them are delicious, brother.
And sisters.
In its own different way. It's not the same thing. It's not the same meat. It's completely different. But both of them are amazing.
Wow.
The good thing about this is the wagyu steak will cost you about $26 a pound.
Yes.
This Argentinian steak will cost you $15.99 the pound.
No way. I love that.
That's
I love
the
that.
difference, guys. So if you really want to try it, really good Argentinian beef, the first qualified, certified black Angus Argentinian beef in the US since they opened, give this a try. If you want something that melts in your mouth and you will get all romantic and full of love and all that kind of stuff, then go to the Walmart Wagyu because it's amazing too. And let me ask you something, brother. If we made you hungry, can you please hit us with a like?
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to share these videos on your social network because that helps us a lot. I
Yes.
know you're gonna have a lot of comments, a lot of things to say about the Argentinian beef, a lot of things to say about the Walmart Wagyu. You're gonna have a lot of things to say about everything. Just put it down in the comments.
Yes.
I'm gonna be interacting with you. Miss Ninja is replying like it was me. I don't know what's wrong with this. We have to figure this out. This is something that is going on. And guys, we have a huge surprise for you guys
Yes,
coming up. We're planning things out, but I think we're gonna start a new feature that you guys are going to love.
Yes.
That's
we
all
will.
for today, but remember that I love you.
We love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.